Hello everyone, this is my fourth consecutive video on the same topic, India, size and location. Last time we just go through with the latitudes and just now I'm talking about the longitudes. In my last video I already told you that latitude means leta hua and longitude means the vertical line, जो खड़ा है, लंबा है, longitude. Okay, now the thing is why we need to know this and what is the real number of this longitude. So this imaginary line is actually 360 in number, 360. So how we come to know the 360? So if you go through with our earth, here we just see North Pole and South Pole. There is a little difference in between latitude and longitude. Two latitudes are very much parallel to one another, but they are not going to cross or cut one another. But in terms of longitude, we just see all the longitudes is very much join one another near North Pole and South Pole. Okay, and if we assume this one, what we call GMT, what we discuss later. So here we just see the 0 degree longitude. So in the east side, means the right hand side, we just see 180, and with this 0 degree, we just see 180, and that's why the total number is 360. Then in the second point, we just see extension of India. Here I already write down the name of the place. This is Sir Creek and this is Kibitu. One in Gujarat and one in Arunachal Pradesh. Once again you have the question that why we start from the west side, not from the east side. So the thing is, here we just see the position of India. And India is in the east side from the GMT. So if we start our journey from 0, here we just see 68 first and then we just see 97. And this is why this is in very much Gujarat and this one is in Arunachal Pradesh. Then the most important thing. This is something we all need to know to calculate time difference in between two longitudes. So for this, you have to go through with the kind of calculation. Now in earlier classes, you may heard that Earth is something just rotate on its own axis. So here we just see the 360 longitude. So if we talk about the rotation, to complete its one rotation, Earth generally takes 24 hours. And this 24 hours just covered 360 longitude. So the thing is, for one longitude, how much time the Earth actually need. So for this, 24 by 360, and if we multiply 60, then we convert it in minute. So here it is very easy to understand. 4 means for any one longitude, from one longitude to another longitude, Earth generally take 4 minutes. So just now we just see that the time difference between two longitude is 4 minutes. Now if we just go through with our own Earth, here we just see India is in the east side. This is east and this is west. So the 0 degree longitude, or what we call GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, just bisect our Earth as Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. So India is here in the Eastern Hemisphere, and here we just take 82° 30' north, sorry, 82° and 30' east, we just pick as our standard time, what we call Indian Standard Time. So if you apply this theory, you can easily calculate the time difference from GMT. And if you calculate, you just multiply 82.5 with 4, then you get 5 hour 30 minutes, and this is the time difference from GMT to IST.